Welcome to another video. Today, you want to know how to make money using Google in the year 2022. But before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this with someone that you think may need this video. So, the company we're going to be using, for example, in this video is Nexus Rewards. If you want to make money online in 2022, I'm going to show you the simplest way to use Google, because SEO, if you don't know, is not a overnight thing. SEO takes some time to learn. So one of the easiest SEOs we're going to talk about is YouTube. YouTube SEO, getting your videos on Google. So Nexus Rewards is a program that you can earn a part-time or a full-time income with. It's mainly a discount cashback rewards program. So for example, you're going to have access to some free apps and some paid apps. NXRX is one of the free apps, so you're going to get up to 80% off of your prescription medications. Then they have the benefits club and the shopping cashback app, and it's just like it says, average savings and cashback per member $400. And you're going to be able to shop on these apps and get cash back, as well as some of these apps you can scan your receipt and get rewards, gift cards, etc. So for my people who really like coupons, who really like cash back, who really are into saving money on everything they buy on a daily basis, this premium membership, which is only $21.95 a month, is for you, with an admin fee of $10 for your first month. So your first month you're going to pay $31.95, and after you're going to pay $21.95. You're going to be able to earn some upfront and some residuals as well. The upfront money is paid weekly, and the residuals are paid every month, as your customers come back. You're also going to see a few more services below. But let's get into some YouTube. And the link to Nexus Rewards is going to be in the description. So with YouTube, we're going to do a little bit of training, but we're going to make this video quick. So keyword research, thumbnails are all key, to getting views on YouTube and authority. So if you want to rank your video, obviously you want to do some keyword research. So we're going to do a little training. We're going to come to vidIQ. And I might leave my referral. Check my description for my referral link to vidIQ so you can get the premium version of vidIQ. So you're going to come in here, and if you have a new channel, you're gonna really pay attention to this competition section. Low, high. You want to go for the low, very low, if it's getting a good amount of searches. So for example, in this video that's talking about how to make money online in 2022, you see the competition is low. But if you have a channel under 3,000, 5,000, it's a lot of searches. A lot of these are people actually making videos, and the other bit of it are people actually looking for this keyword. So another flip side to finding a perfect, keyword is, don't just go for it just because of searches, because like I said, a lot of these searches, for your YouTube video is coming from those making the video. For example, not many people are going to type in, make money. Not many people are going to type in, make money online. But people will type in how to make money online. So think of that as well, So when you're going after these keywords, think of it like that. How to make money online 2022 as a teenager. It's kind of weird. I can see somebody saying how to make money online as a teenager in 2022, or just putting the 2022 at the end. But kind of come at these keywords like that, because a lot of these searches are the people making the videos. There's a lot of people making videos. That's why you want to go for the very low. And, kind of down. If you have a channel under 5,000, I say, maybe 70,000, 50,000, and maybe throwing these bigger ones at the end. But like earn money, side hustles, people aren't just, that might be a decent one. But as far as make money for free, if you do have something where you can make money for free, that would probably be a great one to go after. It's kind of medium, but it's not getting a lot of searches, so you might can compete. So that's just as far as getting the keywords and how to find out what to make your video about. You can also open a private browser and go to YouTube and start typing in the search bars, and that's going to show you exactly what people are searching. So what else do you need when you come to breaking down this YouTube, getting your YouTube video on Google? It's the dominance as well. So let's go to a video. Let's go to a newer video, and I can show you why this video is not going to rank #1 right now. So for example, nice title, nice keywords. If we open the description, great description. You know, you want some backlinks to some high authority sites. I'll put disclaimers in here, but you want to, you know, also type about the company. That's one thing I could have did better. Type more about the company and naturally add those keywords in the description. But as we come over here, and this is why vidIQ, TubeBuddy are great apps, because they're going to break down why your video isn't performing. So right here, this is just the basics. You want to have as many of these as you can, but here's where things really start going. So it's really a views, likes, but I would put comments first. Views, comments, likes, and shares. Shares could kind of go 3. So when you're coming down here, I like to look at the vidIQ. You see I'm only ranking number 41 for Nexus rewards. And much of that is because, you know, you see my vidIQ score is kind of low. So my description, title, the keywords I chose aren't the best, and they're not ranking. So this goes off of your ranking. So you see I only have 49 views. So if there's someone that makes a Nexus reward video with the same description and they have 250 views and they have more subscribers, they're going to outrank me. And so I almost forgot subscribers. Subscribers, I will actually put 2. I will put 2 for subscribers, because that's really the key. I only have 1.09. So if someone has 3,000, 5,000, it's going to be hard for me to rank over them, just off of the fact of YouTube is seeing it like this. To make everything I'm saying sure, YouTube is seeing like this. Hey, who has the most subscribers? Because if they got the most, that means, if they have the most subscribers, that means that channel is talking about what it needs to. They're getting traction. We're going to put it in them. If they have the most views, that means that video must be a good one. So we're going to put, you know, the ranking into them, the juice into them. If they have more, you know, engagement in the comments, it must be really good. And if the likes are up, and then in the share, people are sharing it, we're going to put the info into that. So that's pretty much the big gist of what I'm saying. So if you want to make money using Google, YouTube, they say Pinterest is a little more work, but YouTube is something that you can do and, you know, get videos ranking overnight if you know what you're doing, or if you have the resources, you know, and you put a lot of, you know, resources into these things I'm mentioning. So that's a general, but actually it's a lot of, you know, gems and juice that I just gave to you, because that's the big gist. A lot of people don't know about that. So you really want to focus on your keyword, making sure it's one that you can actually go at in that niche. Because if you only have 25 subscribers and you're going how to make money online, this is actually kind of probably too big and highly searched for my channel. If you're going after something like this with 25 subscribers, even if you have 1 million views, if you have 1 million views, you might kind of get through. But if you only have 170 views and you're trying to go after something that gets 700,000 searches, it's just not going to work. So this is how you're going to make money using Google in 2022. I gave you some free training if you want to grab the Nexus rewards membership and use that to make videos such as the one I'm making now on YouTube. And I'll be able to show you everything I know. Go in the description, grab the membership, and I'll get you over that training. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.